Welcome to another edition of Tuesday Tent Talk. Hi, I'm Brian with Fred's Tents. Not only are we making product, but we are taking and having a sewing class. Many of you have asked about basically doing some basic repairs, things to that effect. And what we've done is a Fred's Tent sewing class. Fred himself, which you see right here, Freddie Brown, and then there's another gentleman back here, I believe, yep, right there, he's moving. That's Todd, plant manager. They all have a lot of experience in sewing. And I'll tell you what, it's been a great day. We're going to show you some video, some photos, just all different individuals, and you can see there's individual training. I mean, they are giving one-on-one, which is just an absolute blast. And one thing I want you to notice is that this young lady, and I'll show you a photo, she took and already has named her machine. These companies, they took and said, hey, we'd like to invest in a new sewing product. And I tell you what, the sewing machines, they're fantastic.
Fashion, she got her name and everything on. Oh wow, this is good. This is a blessing. Oh man, less work, little time, right on time. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, look at this.
Well, that's another edition of Tuesday Tent Talk. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the little video that we put together. And of course, as any class, what you do is you get a graduation gift. They're all putting together a little bag. They're also getting a nice certificate saying they've basically come through Fred's and has learned how to do a lot of some of the basic kind of sewing, some of the basic repairs, things to that effect. If you guys have any ideas out there, let us know. shoot us an email at ttt@wemaketents.com. Hey, I'm Brian with Fred's Tents. Have a great day.